Today, I'll be sharing with you my grilled coconut snapper recipe using my Oklahoma Joe's Bronco grill. I went offshore fishing and caught this beautiful mutton snapper. Snapper is by far one of my all-time favorite saltwater fish to catch and eat. I filleted the fish, removed the skin, and kept it in the refrigerator on ice until I was ready to grill. Speaking of the grill, let's get it fired up. I filled my basket with charcoal briquettes and used fire starters to get it going. I like to leave the lid and both dampers completely open for about 20 minutes until the charcoal gets white and glowing hot.
Let's make some mayo.
You can, of course, buy this from the store, but I wanted a more vinegary tasting mayo, so I wanted to create it myself. I started with 3 egg yolks and about 2 teaspoons of mustard. Stir until well combined with a whisk. Slowly add your olive oil a few drops at a time while constantly stirring. It is so important that you add the olive oil slowly at the beginning until about 1/4 of the total amount of olive oil has been added. This is to ensure that your mayonnaise does not break.
Can't feel my shoulder, but it's coming together. Not quite, but we're almost there.
After about 1/4 of that oil has been added, you can begin adding the rest of it a little bit quicker until everything is well combined and begins to thicken up. I added about 1.5 cups of olive oil total. Give your mayo a taste and season with some white wine vinegar and kosher salt. I used approximately a teaspoon of that white wine vinegar. In a small bowl, I'm mixing together 1/2 cup of shredded coconut, 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs, about a tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Giving that a taste.
Oh my God, yeah. It's so good.
And then seasoning it with some kosher salt. Now comes the beautiful snapper. I'm laying the snapper fillets out on a shallow cast iron pan, patting them dry with some paper towels and seasoning with kosher salt. Flip the fillets and repeat that process on the other side. Then it's time for our luscious mayo. I'm spreading a small amount of the mayonnaise on one side of each snapper fillet, then taking my coconut mixture and sprinkling that right on top. I'll place this on the grill for 15 to 20 minutes until the fish begins to flake apart. In order to get a really nice golden crust on this fish, I'm setting my oven to broil. I'm taking that cast iron pan from the grill and putting it directly into that oven for only 30 seconds to a minute.
It's the color we wanted. It is time to try our beautiful grilled coconut crusted snapper. The broiler gave it the perfect kiss of color that we needed, and the grill added all of the extra flavor that I wanted. So let's try. Wow. Oh my God, so flaky. Look at that. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Cheers. Oh yeah. Wow. I'm getting a lot of sweetness from the crust, but the curry and the smoke add this depth of flavor that you can't even quite describe. Snapper is truly one of the best fish in this entire world. What's wild is that I caught this fish yesterday, I cleaned it, and today we have made this incredible meal from it. You're gonna like it. Cameraman's trying it. The other thing that I love about cooking the fish this way, instead of just breading it completely, is that it still lets a lot of the fish shine. So when you have a really great, delicious fish like snapper, especially when it's so fresh like this is a nice way to really play up the wonderful flavors of the fish itself without completely hiding it in a crust. Cheers to that. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. For more episodes of Source to Smoke, you can check out Oklahoma Joe's YouTube channel. I will see you guys in the next one.